Hello my friend, welcome to TubeU channel. June 6, 2025, Tencent has released a new AI model called HunyuanVideo-Avatar. From its homepage, we can see that it is incredibly powerful. However, the model demands significantly hardware resources. For example, tests were conducted on machine with 8 GPUs, and the minimum VRAM required is 24 GB for generating 704 x 768 pixel 129 frames, though it runs very slowly. The field of AI has seen tremendous progress recently, with numerous companies release advanced models that have significantly improved in both quality and controllability. Here is some notable release. Client 2.1 offers enhanced control over video quality and prompt understanding. Black Forest Flex 0.1 Context, a suite of generative flow matching models for image generation and editing, combines prompt-based image generation with editing capabilities, a potential game-changer in AI image generation. Google's new models, VO3, generates videos with AI voice-over simultaneously. Whisk, a tool for image generation and image-to-video conversion. Gemini 2.5 Pro preview version can generate native speech based on text, also can provide live chat with human-like quality, and so on. For AI video generation open-source tools, ComfyUI plays a vital role in open-source image and video generation. However, it can be tricky for beginners or even professionals due to the unique Python environments required for each project and complexity node connection for every project. We can see different models need different nodes connection and need different optimizations. Now we have a great choice that combines most popular AI models based on one model system for video generation and a related modification and control. It is called Deep Beep Meep Wan2GP project. Thanks to Wan2GP, many popular models of the Wan series, such as Wan2.1 text-to-video, Wan2.1 image-to-video, Wan2.1 first frame to last frame video generation, Vace ControlNet, Skyreels2 Diffusion Forcing, RTX 0.97, and Hunyuan, including HunyuanVideo-Avatar, all have been integrated into a single platform. The best parts, it supports older GPUs like RTX 10 and 20 series, making it accessible for users with limited hardware resources. My RTX 2070 8GB VRAM is now usable for these advanced models. Now we start to install this platform into our local computer. This project uses Python 3.10.9 as its base platform. Beginners or those working with multiple Python versions across projects should install Python 3.10.9 and create a virtual environment. However, most users prefer using the latest Python version. Personally, I avoid virtual environments. I already have 2 Python versions installed, and adding more could cause conflicts or confusion. Instead, I strongly recommend using Docker. It creates fully isolated environments for each project and eliminating Python version conflicts. Using Docker with AnaConda. Download and install AnaConda. Visit the homepage, link in the description. Register using your Google account and download the latest version. Install AnaConda with default settings. Launch AnaConda Navigator. The UI provides various tools like PyCharm for Python projects and AnaConda AI navigators for accessing language models. Navigate to the Environments tab to create a new project. Name the project, for example, Wan2GP, since Python 3.10 3.9 is unavailable, select Python 3.10.18 initially. AnaConda will automatically download the necessary package. Activate the environment. Open the terminal in the virtual environment created for project. Installing Wan2GP. Clone the repository. Navigate to the desired installation folder. For example, C folder and AI. And then run git clone https://github.com deep beep meep Wan2GP.git. Set up Python 3.10.9. Follow the instructions to downgrade to Python 3.10.9, as it is the optimal version for this project. Install PyTorch. Use the command provided on the home page to install PyTorch. Install dependencies. Run pip install -r requirements.txt. Optional platform optimizations. Install Sage 2 Attention. Boosts speed by 40%. For newer GPUs, for example RTX 5 series, follow the specific instructions. Running the motor. For normal GPUs, run the following command: Python wgp.py. For older GPUs, for example RTX 2070, use optimized settings for low VRAM. Python wgp.py attention SDPA profile 4 Tcache 1.5. This enables SDPA attention and profile 4 for slow but stable performance. The Tcache parameters boost the speed. Access the UI. Once the server starts, visit http localhost 7860. The UI integrates many popular models for each use. Testing models. Since my RTX 2070 GPU has 8GB VRAM, I typically test the model using smaller versions, such as the 1.3B model, instead of the larger 14B version. The test resolution is usually set to 832 x 480 480p with a duration of 2 seconds and 20 inference steps. Hunyuan 1.3B generated the default image with 49 frames and 20 steps. First run may take longer due to the model and package downloads. Example 254 seconds for a 3-second video. You can see the video quality is really good. 2.1 image to video 480p 14B. Model size 16GB. Generated a 5-second video with excellent quality. I forgot to change the parameters. It took a long time, about 29 minutes and 25 seconds, but the VRAM not crashed, and the video quality is very nice. 2.1 FLF2V 720p 14B. Model size 16.6GB. Use the first frame and the last frame for land transformation. Result: high quality frames with clear details. Through not as smooth as Client 2.0.
A world of wonder they conceive, and so the tale begins anew.
Vace ControlNet 1.3B. I want to change the rider jacket color to blue. A 2-second video takes 234 seconds. The rider jacket color changed as I expected. Very nice. 2.1 Phantom 1.3B. Generate a 6 seconds 97 frames video takes 1056 seconds. Also worked. The quality is not that bad. Skyreels2 Diffusion Forcing 1.3B model. Use the default setting. Generate a 3 seconds 81 frame video with the resolution 960 x 544. Cost 1092 seconds. The video quality is very good. RTX 0.97 13B distilled model. This time I use image to video. Generate about 2 seconds 60 frames video. It takes 321 seconds. The video quality is not bad. I will not test more. You can test the rest models after installation to your computer. The tool primarily uses text prompts to generate videos, starting with an image and continuing seamlessly. This allows you to create an entire video clip with consistent characters throughout. From the Menu tab, Video Generator demonstrates sample videos and allows you to create your own. Guides offers detailed information about the model, including recommended start commands. It also supports rollers and Vace, which provide better control over your video. Video Mask Creator enables you to modify and edit your video. Download menu lets you access a wide variety of roller models. Clicking it starts the download processes, and there are so many rollers available to choose from. The configuration menu can modify your system. Finally, I also tested the HunyuanVideo-Avatar. However, no matter how to change the starting parameters, it always gives me OOM error. It looks like my old RTX 2070 is not ready for HunyuanVideo-Avatar project. For convenient access to the platform, I have created a batch file that automates the startup process. How to use: open AnaConda and go to Environments. Launch Wan2GP and open the terminal. Run the batch file, execute the BAT file in the terminal. The script will automatically start the project and open your browser. Setup instructions. Create a new batch file, for example, Wan2GP.bat. Copy the batch file content provided below. Modify the command line parameters according to your specific program requirements. Save the file in your project directory. Conclusion: although running these advanced AI models on older GPUs is challenging, Wan2GP makes it possible. With proper optimizations, even modest hardware can provide impressive results. The quality of the generated images and videos is excellent, making this a valuable tool for AI enthusiasts and professionals alike. I want to say it is the best AI video generators for one model series. If you find the content help you a little, please consider subscribe to my channel. Your support means a lot for me. Thanks for watching.